which way to go. This is very difficult. I don't want to get lost in the mountains. What the hell? Where I have come? Hello everyone. Welcome to a new day of trekking. So today we are exploring Jogini Falls. So we have taken a shortcut distance. तो ये डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम द बाहंग विलेज. तो वहाँ से मिनी जोगिनी फॉल्स का डिस्टेंस है अराउंड 20 मिनट्स का रास्ता, मतलब हाइक. और मेन जोगिनी फॉल्स तक है 45 मिनट्स का हाइक. So our cab driver suggested us कि we should take this way and it's shorter distance like going to the falls. So let's get to the fall. So right now we are at the mini Jogini Falls. It's spreading over 3 or 4 layers, and now we will head up to the Jogini Falls. You can see the huge mountains. Isn't that so pretty? Okay, let's head up. We have a long trek to go. So we started our trail at around 6:30. It's 7 now, and my sister is right there. Come on!
Well, in my absence, I'll be surely missing you. I've been working every day, and I sure hope your love is too. And if it gave you cause to doubt me, hope you always think about me. And if you think I'm gonna find another, it ain't true.
I don't know which way to go. So I think we came a little wrong way, and let's see where is the another trail. Oh God, I don't want to get lost in the mountains. We again got lost. Yeah, I think we have found the trail. Finally, we found the right trail. That was scary, getting lost in the mountains. I have been in Manali since last 3-4 days, but this is the first time that I'm sweating. This is very difficult taking into consideration कि मेरा fitness level उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. So अभी हम अराउंड वाटरफॉल के पास आ गए हैं एज पर द रिटर्निंग पीपल. तो आई कैन हियर द फॉल्स. थोड़ी थोड़ी आवाज़ आ रही है वाटरफॉल की. और लेट्स सी, आई थिंक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर. और
Won't you keep it burning, honey, while I'm gone? Come all you young rounders, and a story I'll tell.
the Jogini Waterfalls!
In the warning of hell, but take heed where you ramble, or too soon you will go. Way up on the hillside, where the new flowers grow. Well, he met in the springtime, sun singing, two star-crossed lovers in the still melting snow, where the loving was easy and the courting was brief. Well, they called her a beauty, they called him a thief. In the quiet of the evening, they'd steal away, where the laughter would flow and the fiddle would play. Well, the folks called it wrong, but hell, it seemed alright in the sun-painted picture, and the day turned to night.
It's time to say goodbye to Jogini Falls.
Come up on the hill,
See you soon.
we'll have a time. If you'll bring the kisses, honey, I'll bring the wine.
तो हमने जोगिनी फॉल्स तो देख लिया, पर आपने ये कभी सोचा है कि जोगिनी फॉल्स का नाम जोगिनी फॉल्स क्यों पड़ा? तो एज पर माइथोलॉजी ये कहा जाता है कि जोगिनी जो होती है वो फेमिनाइन पावर होती है, और ऐसा भी कहा जाता है कि वो इंद्रा की डॉटर्स होती हैं जो कि इस वाटरफॉल में दे कम टू टेक बाथ। और अकॉर्डिंग टू द लोकल्स, अगर यहाँ आप आके चिल्लाते हैं या फिर कुछ भी उल्टा सीधा करते हैं तो वो जोगिनी आपके साथ चल पड़ती है। और ये भी कहा जाता है कि जो जोगिनी फॉल्स का वाटर है उसमें जोगिनी माता रिसाइड करती है। If you ever come to Manali, then don't miss this place. It's such a beautiful place to visit. So that's it for today's vlog. Hope you liked it. Do like, share, subscribe and comment down below how I can improve. And see you next time. Bye bye. ये सब मतलब काम क्यों रहा है?
ऐसे ही थे, सांस लेने के तब मिल जाते हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा।